Hey guys, Simple Life Farm here. This is the build of our dream home. Wow, I'm beat. I'm still beat. This is a lot of work for one guy to do. Amy tries to get out here and help me as much as possible. It's kind of hard because she works full-time job. I take care of the farm. It's the agreement. So let's get into this. So I started doing the build. Now, I've never built a house in my entire life. Never. I've done some interior cosmetic stuff and some small stuff home-wise, but I've never built a house. So if you're interested, don't forget, hit that subscribe button and that like button and see how many screw-ups I can possibly do. I've already done one major one. Don't forget, go to our Facebook page. I post something on the Facebook page about the home build every day. I really screwed up on the house. It cost us about $500. I've had to buy all new tools. Now, some of you probably aren't going to like the tools I bought. That's alright. That's what I could afford. That's what I'm going to use. And so far, I'll have to say, they've worked pretty damn good. I have no complaints. I mean, most of you probably use DeWalt or use Makita. I'm an old-time guy. I like Craftsman. I mean, so far, it's done a fantastic job. But yeah, so what you're going to see in this video is kind of just a kind of mosh of what I've done in 2 weeks, because it's hard to try to video and work in there and stop to get the video, because I'm only one person. I don't have 6 guys working for me doing this, you know, and Amy can't be out here 24/7 helping me. So in this video, I'll go through and I'll explain to you what we've done and why I'm doing what I'm doing and my ideas of what I'm doing. If you got any comments, put them down below, but make sure to be nice. Don't be, I'm going to say it, don't be an asshole about it, because I don't need it. I'm stressed now as it is with a house. The only plus, well, not the only plus, the plus about doing this and building it ourselves is we aren't going to owe a bank a god dang thing. The bank can go pound salt, and that's what I'm happy about. I won't owe the bank any money. So when we build it, we'll be free and clear. Everything we'll have on our farm will be ours. Now, a lot of you are saying, well, you know, a lot of us don't have the money to do what you do. Yeah, but you're going to go get a loan. You're going to build your house, and then you're going to have to pay that loan and spend the next 30 years. I personally don't think I have 30 years left. So why should I, if I decide to take that travel to heaven, and I won't leave my wife or my grandkids or my kids in debt. They'll be free and clear of debt. And that's what I want to do. But what you're going to see is you're going to see a lot of stuff. There's going to be a lot of stuff you're not going to agree with the way I did it. But hey, we're doing it. We're doing it my way. There's a song. Tell me what that song is. Put it down below. So at that point, guys, we're going to get into this build. I'm going to be a commentator through this to tell you what I've been doing step by step. And hopefully we get this worked out. So with that said, guys, don't forget, hit that subscribe, that like button, and there's going to be a lot of videos. Like I said, I'm going to try to post at least one a week if I can, and I'm not really going to do much editing, so what you see is what you see and is what you get. So at that point, guys, let's get into the video. Alright, guys, so I'm going to go through what I ended up having to do. Now I put all these back plates, this has all been braced up. We had to replace every single band board. All these band boards had to be replaced because I screwed up. Good, I screwed up real good. You know, but you know, I'm not a builder, so you got to learn, and hopefully you learn from your mistakes. And you know what I've learned? Not to build another house. Come around here. Kind of give you guys a walkthrough. So we got our center beam in, as you can see. It's a little bit of a weight, but that won't make much difference. Go down here. Now I got this barrel because I'm watering down these boards. These are all the ones on the outside. Are all the ones that I had to replace because they were cut so bad. But believe it or not, they're actually forming back to the way they should be. We got our OSB, our 2x14s, 2x16s. And then we got these, our cut station. I've been working like crazy to try to get this stuff done. Whew.
Okay, go.
Hey guys. I'm beat. These are called cooling towels. I suggest you go buy them. They work for the most part. And God, do I need them. This 108-degree weather is killing me. So, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys understand what I was doing. Don't forget, hit that subscribe, that like button. Tell your friends about it. I need a day off. I've been going non-stop for weeks. And with that said, guys, God bless. I'm out. I'm done. Bye.